Hello everyone, I am Nita Bhalchandra, student from Brisang Training Consistency of Dhanipur. Today I will share video on technical topic is the endocrine system. Endocrine system is the all thought often overshadowed by the brain and nerves. The endocrine system is also involved in the information business. Hormone carry essential message that have reaching the effect. Endocrine system is a chemical message system consisting of hormone and the organ. Hormone are secreted is directly in bloodstream, and the hormones are the ductless glands. Human body in which the produce 50% hormone and secreted by the 50% hormone and secreted by the 12 different glands. These glands are not duct but secreted by the bloodstream, in which the first is the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is the part of nervous system and endocrine system. Part of nervous system and endocrine system, which activates by the pituitary gland and control the whole body activity. Hypothalamus is the making the hormone and stopping the hormone is there the function. Next to the pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is also known as the master gland. Pituitary gland in which there are the two parts, anterior pituitary and posterior pituitary. Anterior pituitary in which the 7 hormones are produced, and posterior pituitary in which the 3 hormones are produced. Anterior pituitary in which the hormones are FSH, LH, growth hormone, etc. FSH is a follicle stimulating hormone and LH is a luteinizing hormone. These are the secreted by the male reproductive system. Next to the melanizing stimulating hormone secreted by the skin production of the melanin. Prolactin hormones acts on the development of the breast, and ACTH hormones is the act on the adrenal gland, which are the glucocorticosteroids and mineralocorticosteroids. And thyroid stimulating hormone secretes acts in the T1 and T3 hormone, and growth hormone, which are the developments of the growth. These are the hormones are the pituitary gland hormones. And next to the posterior pituitary hormone, these are the ADH and oxytocin. ADH, which are the water balance and fluid balance, and which are acts on the kidney. And oxytocin secreted by the responsible for female reproductive system, and these are the acts on the mammary gland. Next to the pineal gland. Pineal gland is the small pine shape and P-shaped gland. This gland is responsible in sleep cycle in body. Pineal gland is secreted by the hormone is melatonin. These are the melatonin hormone these are the responsible for daily sleep cycles. Next to the thymus gland, which are the present in thoracic cavity, in the chest cavity and lungs, chest cavity and between the lungs. This gland is producing the thymosin hormone. Thymosin hormone is the development and maturation of the T lymphocytes. T lymphocyte is the fights against the antigen. Next to the adrenal gland. Adrenal gland is the present in the top of the kidney. There are the adrenal gland in which they divided into the two structure, outer layer and inner layer. Outer layer is also called as adrenal cortex and inner layer is also called as adrenal medulla. Adrenal cortex which are the secretes the steroidal hormone. Adrenal cortex which secretes those hormones which are the aldosterone, cortisols, androgen and estrogen. First to the cortisols. Cortisols which regulates the protein and glucose level in the body, and aldosterone which adjusts the water and salt level in the body, and androgen and estrogen which are secreted by the adrenal cortex in the small amount, but which are develop the secondary sexual characteristic. And next to the inner layer means adrenal medulla, which are secreted by the two hormones, epinephrine and norepinephrine. These are the secreted by the short term and long terms, means fight and flight mechanism. Epinephrine and norepinephrine which are the reduce the stress in the body. Yes. Pancreas are the dual purpose gland. These are the also part of the digestive system. Pancreas are excrete the pancreatic juice into the small intestine via pancreatic duct. These are the pancreas are the regulation of the glucose level in the body, and these are the present of the three cells, alpha, beta and delta. High level of glucose secrete insulin. The glucose is converted into the glycogens and which are stored in the liver, and low level of the sugars secretes the glycogen and converted into the glucose and maintain the sugar level in the body. And in which the diabetes are the two types, diabetes first and diabetes second. Diabetes first is the insulin independent diabetes. These diabetes are the by birth produced diabetes, and diabetic second which are the insulin dependent diabetes. And next to the thyroid gland and parathyroid gland. These are the present in the thoracic region in the body, and which are the just below the larynx. The thyroid gland which are the responsible for the metabolisms of the calcium levels and metabolisms of the T3 and T4 hormone secretion, maintains the metabolism rate. And calcitonin hormones which are responsible for the calcium which are secreted by the high level of calcium in the body, and these are the acts on the bones, intestine and kidney. Next to the parathyroid gland. These glands are the secreted by the parathyroid hormone is the calcium secreted which low calcium level, then this time secrete the parathyroid hormone which are the acts on the bone, intestine and kidney. Next to the sex hormone. Female reproductive system in which the ovaries are present, and male reproductive system in which present the testes are present. Female reproductive system in which produce the two hormones, estrogen and progesterone, and male reproductive system in which produce the hormone is the testosterone. Estrogen is responsible for the estrogen which are the secreted by the menstrual cycle in the body, menstrual cycles in the body, and secondary sexual characteristics, menstruation cycle, cardiovascular system regulation, mood swing and bone health. This time the estrogens are the secreted, and progesterone which are the secreted by the uterus development, pregnancy support, and development of the breast. And testosterone is the male produced by the sperm production, which are the secreted, and male sexual behavior in this time testosterone are the produced. Kidney, which are produced by the two hormones, vitamin D and erythropoietins. Vitamin D, which are responsible for the many body functions, and erythropoietins are secreted by the in the body. Our oxygen level is low, then these times are the erythropoietins are the secreted. And next to the gut hormones. Gut hormones. Gut hormones is the work associated with the gut's extensive nervous system. Gut hormones, which are the control appetite, digestion of foods, regulation of energy balance, and maintains the blood glucose level. Then this time the gut hormones are the secreted. Gut hormones, in which the many gut hormones are the cholecytosine, motilin, and ghrelin. These are the gut hormone. These are the all informations about the endocrine system. Thank you so much.